My name is Michael Collins. This is the first video we recorded that's going to take you on an adventure in 2025 in Appalachia in the South about how amazing people are restoring the climate through natural solutions that they have ingeniously come up with. Today I'm going to take you down to one example of this kind of work. We're walking today down to an old 250-year-old dam in the historic village of Rapidan, Virginia, which is in Central Virginia, a beautiful part of the state, which is where one of our programs, the headquarters of one of our programs called the Rapidan Institute, is located. It's in mid-February. It's a beautiful day. What we try to do is restore the climate. Now, that's not something that's well understood about how to do that or even what that means. And we understand that. And in this summer, through this adventure that we're going to go on, traveling through the South and through Appalachia, we're going to talk about what that means and how people are doing it on the ground. Now, first, when we talk about climate change, climate has changed throughout all of Earth's history. Humans are part of the climate, an integral part of the climate, as is this water and this river, and really everything on Earth is part of what we call the climate. Now, but what is the climate? Well, at a very simple level, it is long-term weather patterns. And it is driven by three cycles: the carbon cycle, the water cycle, and the nitrogen cycle. Humans, in our activity, in all that we do, we are not the exclusive drivers of changes in the climate. There are an innumerable number of factors that affect rate of change of the climate. We, myself, all of us humans, in incalculable ways, are a consequential part of the cause of the rate of change of climate. And what we do at American Climate Partners is work on the part that humans can have effect on in their daily life. And we do this through what we call natural solutions, the design, conception, the design, and the management of natural solutions. So when we talk about restoring the climate, and we talk about altering the carbon and the water and the nitrogen cycle, what does that mean fundamentally? It's a very simple concept. Currently, there is too much water in the sky. There is too much carbon in the sky, and there's too much nitrogen in the ground. I'll say that again. Currently, in the modern era, we now found ourselves in a situation where there's too much carbon and water in the sky, and there's too much nitrogen in the ground and in our river. And so it's not crazy to take the same kind of incalculable steps that got us here and turn around and try to reverse the things that we've done that we can individually do to help to begin to fix this problem. We need to pull carbon and water out of the sky, get it into the ground, two down, one up, and do what's called denitrification, and get nitrogen out of our waterways and get it back up to the sky. In 2025, we hope you'll join us on a journey as we travel throughout Appalachia in the South, visiting amazing farmers and entrepreneurs, evoking Teddy Roosevelt and the kind of take the world by the horns kind of way that he was. We're going to meet with all kinds of people in Appalachia in the South that are developing natural solutions for the first time to help to heal our climate.